Logan, what did I do?
Maybe something. You almost jumped over me.
Oh, ouch, Logan. All right, James. Go for it, James. Ow. That was a bad idea. Yes. Stand down slightly more. Oh my gosh. You landed it. Is Grandpa gonna try it? Oh, not enough power. Good thing they're durable. Yeah.
Like that?
I didn't actually mean to do that. Line it up good, please. Tree. You.
Watch out.
Oh. All right, so James, you're not doing backflips, buddy. Oh, it broke. Yeah, you can. Hey, there's a tree there.
You jumped over here.
Yeah, you should probably not stand there.
Yeah, I'm not.
All right. Oh. Uh-oh. Why is it acting like rear wheel drive only? How did I break that? How did I break it? Oh, I did get a control arm. That's okay, it'll still drive. I gotta step back. Yes. It's a smart location to stand. Oh, it took the rest of the way off, as you would guess. Went ahead and ate it the rest of the way. That's all right. That's part of it. Hey, hey, that didn't work at all. Hey, there's a that's washed out over there on that edge. It's washed out over there. Oh, that's a tree. Did I land it?
That's the tree you hung the X-Maxx
It is.
up in that time.
Did I land it?
Yeah, it hung all four. left. It'd be a lot.
Right at the dang tree. Beautiful. Beautiful backflip. That dang tree. Stick. Oh, what the bounce. Man, I did better when I was standing next to the jump. Oh no, oh no. I went through the tree. I can't believe I just went through it. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Logan, what did I do?
Maybe something. Gin?
Oh, dude, it is like actually hung on the control arm, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, look at that.
Good.
Gonna have to push it up.
Here, point it video. Yeah, it's literally like they have this here for a reason. Oh my gosh.
You might have to hang that branch and pull it down to break it.
Yeah, I think you might be right actually.
Man, don't break far enough back.
Okay, you get out of the way.
There it goes. Oh! Hey, it didn't break.
And he landed it.
It lives.
Oh!
That dang tree. Oh, we did something. We did a thing. What did I break? Ready when you are. Oh my gosh! Oh my. You. All right, Logan, you doing it?
Ready?
Yep.
Yep.
Oh my gosh. Please come down, please come down. Please come. I think you landed it. Oh, it's upside down.